Welcome to Zenith Nature Flow TV, a sanctuary where the soul breathes and the earth whispers its ancient truths. Here, we rise with faith, we flow with resilience, and we rest in the arms of nature. This is more than a channel. It's a journey into stillness, into healing, into cosmic alignment. We offer sacred balance, celestial guidance through astrology and affirmations, nature's peace through immersive 4K landscapes, healing soundscapes tuned to the frequencies of your soul. Whether you seek clarity, comfort, or connection, you'll find it here. In the silence between waves, in the light between stars, in the breath of the forest. Join a community that believes in hope, that walks with faith, that listens to the universe and answers with love. Subscribe to nourish your spirit. Let the universe guide you home. And remember, be still. The earth holds your answers.